Hey guys, Annie Stacey here. Welcome back to my channel where I share recipes on how to grow your hair naturally. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a very potent hair growth oil that will help you grow thick and longer hair as well as strengthen your hair. So the first ingredient we're going to be using is dried hibiscus flower. So this is how the flower looks, and hibiscus is known to be very amazing for hair growth. It has a lot of amazing benefits which we are going to be looking at. First of all, hibiscus has naturally occurring amino acids which helps to provide the hair with nutrients that help in promoting hair growth. So I just went ahead and washed up the hibiscus flowers, just to get rid of any dust or stuff like that, and I also wanted to just get it wet. So I'll just take my time and rinse that off about 2 times or a couple of times, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. Now I'm going to transfer the washed leaves into my blender cup. Hibiscus is also known to contain a special kind of structural protein called keratin, which is the building block of hair. Keratin helps to bind the hair, makes it less prone to breakage, and promote overall thickness of the hair strands. So moving on, the next ingredient we're going to be using are cloves. So we've used this before on this channel or quite a number of times. So I'm just going to go ahead and do what I did with the other. I'm just going to rinse that off just because I want to get it wet as well, and then I'm going to transfer it to my blender cup, and then we're going to move on to the next ingredient, which is going to be black seeds. Black seeds consist of a component called thymoquinone, which has antioxidant properties which helps to strengthen the hair follicle. It also contains antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help maintain scalp health by addressing issues such as dandruff. It also works to prevent hair loss and excessive shedding. They are also known to reverse damaged hair as well as prevent premature graying. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add some sulfur or MSM. So MSM is a natural occurring sulfur which works amazingly to promote healthy hair, nails, and skin. So it is water soluble. That's why I went ahead and dissolved that in the water, because it's not oil soluble, and I just wanted to let that dissolve. So I'm going to transfer the black seeds into my blender cup together with the other ingredients. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a cup of sunflower seed oil. So I'm using half a cup, so that's why I'm going to measure this twice, but in total I'm using a cup of sunflower seed oil. So sunflower seed oil contains oleic acid or omega-9 acid, which is one of the essential acids that's needed to stop hair breakage and stimulate healthy hair growth. It also improves natural hair manageability and minimizes the look of frizziness. So right now I'm just going to pop that up on my blender and blend until it's properly crushed. It's not going to be smooth, of course, but I just want to crush that up, and this is what it looks like. And so it's ready for the next step, and I'll just go ahead and transfer the contents of the blender cup into my pan, and you're going to see how it looks. So this is how it looks. It has this rich red dark color. So and that's how smooth it got. Actually not smooth, I just crushed that up. Just want to extract. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this to sit for a while to infuse and all of that, and then I'm going to move it onto my cooker. So before moving it to the cooker, I'm just going to add some more oil. So now I'm adding half a cup of the same sunflower seed oil, and I'm just going to stir it a bit and let it sit for a while again, and then I'm going to transfer that to my cooker. And after cooking for a while, this is how it looks. You want to make sure you don't burn it, So yeah, I'm just going to keep stirring until I'm sure that the little water that was in the mixture has evaporated, and this is how it looks. So yeah, I let it cool for a bit, and then the oil is ready to be strained, and I'm going to go ahead and use my muslin cloth to strain out the oil. So this is how the oil looks, and right now I'm going to add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. So peppermint essential oil increases blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to promote hair growth and is said to extend the anagen phase of the hair, which is the growing phase. Also, moving on, I'm going to add rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil helps to improve the hair thickness and hair growth. And then I'm going to go ahead and add lavender essential oil. Lavender can speed up hair growth. It can generate the growth of cells and reduce stress. So yeah, this is how the oil looks. This is the final oil, and I'm going to transfer that into a jar just to store it. This oil works amazingly to promote healthy hair, and also all the essential oils used have antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can improve the health of the scalp. So yeah, this is how it looks in the jar, and of course I cannot go ahead and apply that to my hair. So next I'm going to go ahead and transfer this oil into my applicator bottle for easy application. Now the oil is ready to be applied on my hair and scalp, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Anyway, so this is how it looks, and moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair and scalp. So my hair is in mini braids, so I always just leave my hair in mini braids or mini twists. I don't like to over manipulate my hair, so you can always have your mini twists and braids, and it's easier for me to just wash my hair, condition, or do whatever treatment I want with it in the mini twist. So yeah, that way I don't over manipulate my hair. So I'll just go ahead, I apply that to my scalp and then the length of my hair, and then just go ahead and massage that up. And I'm just going to do that throughout my hair. So right now, just braid it back up or twist it back up, and then move to the next section and do the same. So yeah, that's how I apply my oils, and that's after my conditioner if I have to apply conditioner. If not, I just apply direct to my scalp. So thank you guys so much for watching this far. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and turn on the notification button while you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So that's it for this video. Bye.